I got the bonus on $8 bet, y'all. Man, I needed this. I got 24 free games on $8 bet. On Timberwolves, I got the gold plus bucks bonus. I got the red bucket and the green bucket bonus. 24 free games. I am so grateful. I needed this. Y'all, I was losing like hell. Hey, they got my worker. What I doing? Okay, it said pay me $60. Okay. Come on, we need a lot more. What's this? I can't believe I got this many games. Man, I was really... I hope it give me something good, y'all. Damn. Okay, we up to, what, $80? And we got 21 free games left. I hope we get more games. Collect for jackpots. Oh, okay, the bags. Man, I hope I get my money back so I can get the hell out of here. And the mini is $100. Oh no, no, it ain't. I don't know mini up there. It's a minor. Oh damn, that minor over there is $1,000. Come on. That's 120. I got 12 free games left. I hope I get my money back. I gotta count. Okay, I had 400. I lost 400. I lost another 300, and I went back, got another 300. So that's 819. That's $1,000. Well, if I get $1,000 at $8 a bet, I'll be happy. I need all them wolves and some gold ones. We changed another symbol. Oh, y'all might as well give me a hand pay. All right, now don't waste these spins. Oh man. A full screen of wolves now. Yeah. Got 4 more games left. Trying penny pinch. 600, I see. Damn. I'm trying to come back up, y'all. 2 more games left. Last spin. Okay, so 229. Oh man, I don't want to play this game. Ooh, give me some more. A minor is $100. I knew it was gonna give me that. Man, I need the grand, y'all. I knew it was gonna give me the minor. The minor is $100. Okay, I'm at 4. Alright. 15, 40, 15, 15. Oh, come on now. I need more than that. Okay. Reveal your prize, $50. Okay, so I'm down 6, 7, 8. I'm down only, what, $200? I think I'm gonna go home, y'all. I'm tired. I don't want to keep playing. Like, I got my money back up. I'm at $100. I think I want to go home. Yeah, cash out. So I'm down $200. I'm down $200. Wait a minute. Girl, I was about to leave my damn seat. I don't know. I'm gonna go home. I got $830. Okay, this bag. See, what's the? Oh no, I don't know. It's not a minor. See, if the minor ain't like $100 or something, I don't want it. I like these days because I like when all these houses come. Let me try. I don't want to play that. I'm scared. Now I'm scared. I got my money back, y'all. I went to the ATM twice. I'm scared now. I might as well just go get something and even go home. Damn. I don't see nothing I want to play. Let me try 3 spins on Lion League. All these motherfuckers about to pop. Shit. All these bitches about to pop. I'm gonna do max bet. $6. Let's go. All that and that and that. Oh, I was about to say. I was really about to say. Let me do a back. I knew someone told me to do a bag of speed. Damn, someone told me to do a bag of speed. That's what I'm talking about. This act like it's scared to put some damn quick hits on the board. Damn. Yes. That's what the hell I'm talking about. I got all my money back now. It's time to go home. That's what the fuck I'm talking about. Hell yeah. One more bag of spin. Let's see if we got lucky like we did again. Damn, I'm at $1,300. A bag of spin. Let's go. Alright, one more. Alright. Oh, girl, you trying it, huh? Okay, let's go. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah. I got my fucking money back in some. Shit. What? Good. Man, I'm about to go. Fuck this shit. Oh, you got Monopoly Express. Man, this thing about to pop. Look at these. Look at the buckets on them. Let's try this and then we're gonna go. Hell yeah.
Let's ride the Pacific Station.
$4.50 a spin.
Watch this. Look at those wilds.
How much I got here? $24. $1,300.
Thanks for riding the Monopoly Express.
All right. That's enough. I'm going home, y'all. $1,300. Damn, I would love to stay and play some more. But it's time to go. Told y'all.